My name is Pratik Patel. My student ID 202400158. Business Pitch Smart Refillable Water Station Network. Introduction. Plastic pollution and high bottled water cost. Our solution lot enable refillable water kiosks. With this smart choice, make the wise choice. The problem: 480 plus billion plastic bottles used annually. Expensive bottled water in cities, public fountains and unreliable. The solution: lot of powered water kiosks in cities, mobile QR scan and contactless payment, real-time tracking of the plastic saving. Target market: urban professionals and students, eco-consumption and tech-savvy customers, retailer, malls, universities, transport and hubs. Valuation propositions: affordable, cheaper than bottled water, convenient, fast, digital everywhere. Sustainable, reduce plastic waste. Gabbar Islam and Ramadan 2023. Business model canvas overview. Customer segment: urban working professional and young adults aged 18-35 years, frequent visitor to public areas, phone to cashless payment, inclusion to green behavior. Key resources: lot of available monitoring, water dispensing ATMs, cost structures, installation, maintenance and monitoring. Value propositions: affordable and eco-friendly water refills. Key activities: requiring refills and maintenance. Key partnerships: shooting malls and colleges. Channels: shopping malls and colleges. Customer relationships: subscription model, bulk uses, interviews. Revenue streams: 0.20 cent dollar liter oil and $5 month. Cost of structure, installation and maintenance. Key highlight of the BWS: customer segments, young professional students, value propositions, affordable, sustainable, convenience, channels, kiosk, app and partners, revenue, pay per use and subscription. Pricing and revenue model: 0.20 cent per liter pay per use, $5 month unlimited subscription and revenue sharing with the host partner. Partnership: malls, universities, gyms and hobbies. Share revenue incentives. Corporate ESG, branding and opportunities. Entrepreneurial theories: lean of the startup, MVP testing and integration, design thinking and implementing proper use and feedback, build, learn and measure. Innovation and sustainability: lot of the sensor for use tracking, real-time plastic savings feedback, expansion to global high pollution zones. Challenges and solution: installation cost, revenue sharing, customer adoption, eco awareness campaigns, maintenance, lot of the remote monitoring, LOPS, Purolal and Europe 2023. The ask: funding for pilot kiosks, partnership with malls, universities, city authorities, support for scaling internationally. Conclusion: thank you.